Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at the Omi token. Really excited, guys, because we're going to be talking about the principles of Wyckoff. It is a very popular principle if you are in the trading world. When you look at ARs or springs, it's another concept of taking out your stops before prices rally towards the upside. But to make it simplified and to make it simple, actually, guys, we talk about BOS and change of character. That's the simplicity of it. So I don't want to get too much into the details, especially because I don't want to bore you guys to death. I want to give you guys the opportunity to look at these price actions every single day on these charts and get into those trades right away. So first, guys, we have BOS and change of character. It's everywhere. I keep mentioning this. If you can spot it with your eyes, you're going to make a lot of money. So when we come into this section of the market, I want to spot out where my BOS is and my change of character. If you guys can spot it out right here, pause the video, see if you guys can spot it out yourselves. Look carefully, look at the bottom on how I did structures down here. It's going to be the same principle because we want to see price going up. So BOS is the break below and change of character was the price break above. So take a look at here and how cool this is going to be right here, guys. So what I'm going to do is actually go right here and copy this for you guys. So it is a little bit easier for me to grab and put right here. So perfect. That is going to be that. And I want to grab this one on top as well. Let's clone, and there you go. So when we look at break of structure, I'm going to be talking to you guys why this is a break of structure. Look at the price action right here. Clearly, we broke below structure and we broke below the previous swing. That is going to be located roughly around 0.00142. So that is showing me signs of weakness. That is price going lower. That's a break of structure. So a change of character is when we break above the structure to show me that price doesn't want to go down anymore. It wants to be different. And when you look right here at these bodies, this is what you call a break of character when you see prices going towards the upside and it broke above. So a lot of people say, how do you get into your trades? Well, there's a lot of liquidation zones that you can absolutely get into. So a lot of students will look for one of these liquidation zones on the bottom. You will look for all these red candles to define to us where it's going to have a change of events. Where is price rallying to before we get that liquidation towards the upside? And right here, guys, price has liquidated towards these zones roughly around 0.00146, and then price shot back up. If you did keep this simple, you could use the break of structure and change of character. It's a very simple concept. As long as you find your key levels of support, you should be fine because we're rallying towards the upside. If you're a pattern trader right here, we do have a head and shoulders showing us when the neckline does break, we're going to rally towards the upside. And there was a lot of reasons why we should have bought around these levels instead of sell, okay? The other cool thing is a lot of my Fibonacci retracement guys and even my flag traders, take a look at this. When you look at flag trading right here, guys, the principle of flag trading is right here. I always mention this throughout my very beginning videos. I always tell you guys, look for your 50, look for your 61.8. Those are the key levels of reversals for price to go towards the upside. Take a look at this pocket right here of 50 and 61.8. Exactly looking at these levels, where did the wick retracement happen? Exactly at the 50 retracement. These are all confirmations, guys. If you add all these confirmations up, this is all confirmations on one thing and one thing only. Price is going to continue up. The other cool thing is a lot of people say, hey John, how do you find where price is going to go? Look left of structure, guys. You'll always find a liquidation zone for price to reverse. Not just that, just keep it simple, guys. Trading is very simple. Take the breakout, the extension of the flag, put it towards the upside, and you guys can see where price truly wanted to go. Exactly when price broke out, it went towards our liquidation zone and price came back down, went back up, and a lot of people were fearful. And this is what I try to mention. Don't get faked out. This is just to take you out of the market. I've mentioned this throughout all my videos. We're always going to get a retest, guys. Retest is a must. So please do not FOMO in, because if you FOMO in, you're just playing the weaker hand, and the weaker hand is always going to make you lose, okay? So this is the cool idea. This is the explanation that we need to look at when we're getting into these type of trades. So if you are a divergence type of trader, you could look at your RSIs, you could look at your MACDs, you could look at your stochastics. All of this information is right in front of you. So we had so much buying criteria. And this is the other thing I always tell a lot of my students and everyone that knows me, compound your strategies together, because the more confirmations you get, the stronger the ability of price to go upwards, okay? And then when you look at your RSI, there's a lot of confirmations right here. If you are putting all of it together, there's a lot of confidence why price can still continue towards the upside. So take a look at this, guys. If you look at divergence right here, price is going up right here, and of course right here at the very bottom, price is going towards the downside. This is showing me bullish sentiment, bullish ideas that price can go up. So that means exactly at this zone or this price action, what should I be looking to do? Of course, if price came back, retested a key structure, I should be looking to buy, not looking to sell. And if Bitcoin is breaking below new structures and we do see 0.00157 break, then that's a different story. Then we're going to be looking to sell. The cool thing is when we come back into price right here, a lot of people say, hey, how do I know price is going to go up? Guys, I'm going to put this once again. This break of structure, change of character is everywhere, nonstop. And to take a look here, I'm already in a buying opportunity and I want to see price pushing all the way towards this green candle towards the top. This is my fulfillment. This is what I'm going to be doing. And if it does come up to the upside, I am looking for a small sell towards the downside. If prices break below, I'm looking for a retest. I'm getting into my short. The cool thing is we did have a flag, fulfillment already reached. Price came back down. We have the change of character, BOS, break of structure already playing out, not just once, not just twice, guys. There's more opportunities on why price is showing me it could go up. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what is happening on the daily. So take a look at the daily, guys. We have the smaller structure. We have the other smaller structure. Now, I'm going to make you guys realize, I keep telling you this, it's everywhere. Take a look at price action right here, guys. So this was my initial move right here. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to type it in for you guys so you guys can see. So it's BOS right here and it's the break below structure. The other one is change of character, chalk. So we have change of character right here. So once price broke down, we wanted it to liquidate back up. And then guess where we want a price to come back to? Guys, this is no joke. This is something that I teach. This is a beautiful, beautiful price action that is always happening right here. This is where our analysis shows us when price taps into this exact level, no hesitation, we're buying. What do you think price did? It's going towards the top, liquidating all its buying and selling orders right here. And then we're going to see another rally towards the downside. And that's what we kind of have right here. Price went up and now it pulled back in and now we're seeing pushes to the upside. So take a look, guys. This BOS and change of characters right here, and of course on a bigger scale, this is all the things that I've already predicted in my previous videos or things that I've already shown my students and gave them the idea. Stay confident in towards your analysis because your analysis will pay off. Do not play the weaker hand, play the smart money concept. That is what's going to give you the overall idea of where price is going to go. Once again, this is the bigger picture or the smaller picture of the Wyckoff principle, the spring and the AR and everything like that. I don't want to go complicated here, guys. I'm just going to keep it simple. Let's go back into the 4 hours and I'm going to show you guys why there's another opportunity, another trade right here in this very moment. A lot of people say, how can you get into a trade with only 4 candles, guys? 4 candles in the 4 hour. There's more than enough for me to go into a lower time frame and look at a smaller picture of the bigger picture to get a move that is quicker. This is how you do your sniper entries, and this is exactly what I teach in my program, how to get into those trades even quicker before time runs out. And now I'm going to be going to a lower time frame and showing you guys exactly what I see. So let's go into the 15-minute right here. So when you look at the 15-minute, where's my first initial push right here? This was my break of structure. When I'm looking at my break of structure, what am I looking for? I'm looking for my pullback. So price came back down all the way right here, guys. And where was my initial pullback before it broke that structure right here? So if it broke my structure exactly at that initial point, that is going to be my change of character. Once you look at change of character, where could we have gotten into price action? And I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Once price broke above, we got my change of character. What I'm going to be looking for, I'm looking for my candle of reversal. That's going to be my red candle before a big move towards the upside. And take a look at this, guys. If you did miss your first entry, which is fine, it happens to a lot of us. But if you missed your entry the second time, there's a question on, are you really attentive to detail? There's a lot of information, guys, right here alone telling us why price could still continue up to the upside. The other cool thing is if you're once again a pattern trader, take a look at this, guys. Pattern trading is the way to go for me. I love pattern trading. It is such a beautiful art right here, guys. So right here is an ascending triangle. What are we doing right now? We're tapping into the levels of support. If this level does hold, this is going to be another buying opportunity and we're going to see price going a little bit higher. The other cool thing is put your fulfillment, your take profit area, first initial breakout. And now we're saying to ourselves, there's a great high probability price could go to 0.0017 and maybe come back down and retest the structure. So we could go like this and then maybe we could push back up. A lot of great ideas, a lot of information shown to you guys. And now it's about how you take this information, guys, and apply it to your way of trading. So if you guys do like this, please once again make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So we do have a break of structure, change of character, already showing us a push to the upside, already locking in some profits, some decent profits, guys. A lot of great things happening here. And basically that's how you keep it simple towards your price action. If you guys want, put in your divergence, put your RSIs, put your moving averages. Everything is going to come into fruition if you put in your gameplay and you have a structure on your bias and everything like that, guys. It should come to reality. So I'm just gonna do a wrap up right here. We do have a bull flag. We had that push to upside. We knew this was a fulfillment. Look at left of structure. This was a key level price has tapped into before. Price has dropped, came to a key level of support. Make sure to look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps with this analysis, it's 100% going to pump, because if Bitcoin pumps, we have more than enough evidence that price should pump. We have BOS, change of character. We had once, twice. We also, guys, keep this in mind, we had it in the bigger scale of things, and it popped in towards our kill zone. Our kill zone popped it all the way towards our left of structure. Left of structure gave us confirmation that it was going to reverse. Simple as it is, we came back, reverse. Now a lot of people come to this chart, take a look at the smaller scale, go into the 15-minute. Within the 15-minute, once again, we have a break of structure, change of character. We came into our liquidation zone not just once, we came twice, double bottom to confirm that information, and break of structure retest of this beautiful ascending triangle, giving us confirmation there might be another rally towards the upside before it pops back down. If prices do not break down right now, we are going to see a little push before breaking down. Already in a beautiful profit. A lot of great things are happening for Ecomi. So once again, guys, if you like this content and you like how I do my analysis and how detailed I am to my analysis, because I want to make sure all of you guys understand Ecomi can be traded and you can make some serious money. So if you guys do like this, once again, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.